values of L at J, so that we can write the angle. So find the angle between L and S for, that is 3p1 state. We'll take one example, 3p1 state. Now for this 3p1 state, what are the values? So values of L to solve it. So what are the values of L? So values of L, which is equals to L equal to 1, L equal to 1. And for values of S, that is 2s plus 1, which is equals to 3. So that S equals to that 2, 2s equal to 2, that is 2s equal to 3 minus 1, that is again 2, and we get S equal to 1. So L equal to 1, S equal to 1, and what is value of J? So the value of J is 1. Now we can write J star. So what are the values of J star? So the J star value is nothing but J plus 1. So what is the value of J? So J value is 1. So 1 plus 1, that is 2. So that is root 2 is the values of J. And values of L star. So the values of L star is, that is again under root of L plus 1. So that is again root 2 values. And for S star, that is again S plus 1, that is again root 2 is values. Now using this formula, we can calculate the angle between L and S for 3p1 state. So the angle between L and S, which is equals to J star square minus L star square minus S star square divided by 2 L and S. That is cos inverse. So cos inverse of, we can write this value J star square. So J star square, that is square of root 2, that is equals to 2. So 2 minus again this 2 and minus again 2 divided by, so 2 minus 2 0, that is minus 2 will remain, and 2 into, what are the values of L? So values of L is, L star is root 2, and that is also root 2. So root 2 will equal to, that is 2. So 2 into 2 will multiply, that is 4. So 0, and that is minus 2. So cos inverse of minus 2 by 4. So that is nothing but cos inverse of minus half. Minus half means cos inverse of minus 0.5. So the 0.5, what are the values of that is half? So that minus sign will get the values in negative. That means the angle is greater than 90 degree. So as we know that the values of cos 60. So the values of cos 60 is, that is half. So and for values of 120, cos 120, that is minus half. So the angle is minus, and cos 180, it is minus 1, and for cos 0 it is plus 1 0. So like that we can write. So what is the angle? The angle is, angle between L and S is 120 degree, like that. So angle between L and S, if this is the L and another is the angle between L and S. So if it is, how can write the angle between L and S, like that. Or this is terms we can write. So this is S, so angle between, that is 120. This is the value of S and the values of J. So all these values are root 2, like that. So this angle between L, direction of L, in the direction of S, and this is the values J. So that value is 120. So like that we can calculate angle between, like that. So this is enough for today. So today we have seen how to write the term symbol, and then we also seen how we can write the term symbol, how we can find the values of J, and another by JJ coupling how to write the terms, and another we can also see some examples to find the angle between LS and LJ using these three vectors. Now another is how we can write the normal order of configuration. So the last point is how we can write if there is more terms arises in that particular configuration. So how we can write this order of that state. So we are having that is P, okay, triplet P, okay, there is 3 terms is there. So 3 terms, that is 1/2, 3/2 and 5/2. Now for that, what are the multiplicity is the same, and the values of L is same. So the values of S and values of S is same for all the state, that configuration, and the values of S, L is also same. So for now the values of J is different for all the state. So such a states, the values of J, so the list values of J, so having a stable or the low energy, and low energy is nothing but the stable state. So J having low values or least values, that is the values of half, it is at lower state or a ground state of that state, lower or the ground state. Okay, so the terms can be written as 3p 5, 3p 3/2 and 3p half. So like that. So on the energy level, if it is P state, 3p state is there, so in that case, that is 3p half is the ground state, that is 3p 3/2 and triplet, okay, there is a triplet state, and that is 5/2, like that. So this is the ground state of for the given state. So how can write, there is some order. So how can the order, that is the first rule, if L and S having the same for the given multiplet. Now we can see the example triplet. So we can any multiplet we can write So the first rule is, this is also first one of the rule. So for same values of L, for the same values of L, so PPP, so the highest values of multiplicity, highest value of multiplicity means S, highest value of S lies, okay, lies deepest means lower, and another rule is for same multiplicity means same value of S, multiplicity or S value, the highest value of L lies deepest means at lower state, and the third one is for the same values of L and S, the least values of, for same values of L and S, the lowest values of J or least values of J lies deepest. So this is the rule. Like that we can write the term symbol. For example, we are having this 3, that is 3p 1/2, then another term is, that is 3d 5/2 states, that is 3s 0 states, then for another is 2p 1 states, and like that. So which is the ground state for that particular? So that PPP, in that case L is same, so highest values of this 3p that will lies after, that is 2p 1 states, and this is D states. So in this D states there is another not D states, so the values of this same multiplicity, the highest values is 3/2, that can be written, so that is 3s0 we can write, then 3d 5/2, then that is 2p 1 state, and that is 3p half state, we can write like that. So these are the order to write the terms, which terms will come first and which terms will lower energy level. So depending upon the energy level we can write these terms. So this is the normal order of that configuration. So this is enough for today. Thank you. If you are new in the channel, you can like, subscribe it and share it for many group your friends also. Thank you.